Every jiva is covered by Maya, by ignorance. And we were also covered by Maya, by ignorance, from beginningless time. Somehow, by the mercy of Krishna, he picked us out. So then, he has given all these things now. Maybe this is our first life. This right now, our beginning of spirit. We are, says in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Anadir Krishna Bahiramukh. Krishna Anadi Bahiramukh. Something like this. Krishna Bulya. That since beginningless time, there's no beginning. Eternal time, we've been forgetting, ignorant, and unaware of God at all because we're eternally in this material world. And somehow, Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasadi Vai. Krishna gives us bhagya. He gives us wealth. He gives us a gift. So now, there's everyone, every single sadhaka. He has this spiritual sadhaka. He has received this gift from God, this bhakti, this whole spiritual reality, and all its different expressions of study and japa and kirtan and puja and navavida bhakti. All of that, at every moment, it's a gift of God. And so that's the gift. And then he creates the enthusiasm and the dedication and the faith and the submission and the intelligence. He says all these things in Gita. I give intelligence. Tesham sarati yuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadami udiyogam tam. I dada. I give the intelligence. So you can think about me and discuss about me. And I give the energy and enthusiasm. So all those desires that, I want to be Radharani's Mandri, I want to serve my Guru very nicely, I want to please Radha and Krishna at every moment, I want to be a good bhakt, I want to follow all the principles and be very pure, and I want to be fully attached to Radha and Krishna. All of this is a continual gift given by God, as long as we don't become offenders. When we become offenders, then these desires, these ambitions, these spiritual ambitions and desires, and the enthusiasm and the faith, everything gets withdrawn. It's a gift. I give and I take. When it's withdrawn, we become interested in Maya, and we lose our attraction. We again turn our face away from the devotees. We turn our face away from Guru. We turn our face away from Radha and Krishna. We turn our face away from the Holy Dham, and we look towards Maya. That's the very proof that it's a gift. We exist in spiritual life as long as we're pleasing Krishna. If we're displeasing Krishna, aparad means rad, R-A-D-H means pleasure, satisfaction. Whose pleasure? Whose satisfaction? Krishna. Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Is he pleased with my thinking? Is he pleased with my speaking? Is he pleased with my desiring? Is he pleased with my movements and my actions and my aspirations? Is he pleased with my dreams? When you're waking, you may do all good things. When you dream all bad things. Because it's parabdha. It's a stockpile of our own bad movies. Bad movies. Up in our brain, we have so many bad movies. So one side, all this goodness, all this spirituality, and sattva, and beautiful things. On the other side, millions of lifetimes of material desires. Kam, Krodh, Lo, Moha, Matsarya. So that's the war on Maya. The Maya is us. The Maya is us. Not the world is not Maya. The world is full of Krishna, for the pure devotee. So the Maya is us, and where is the Maya? It's inside of us in our consciousness. And what makes that Maya? All of our births and all of our desires, and it's all packed up in 4 different forms of kutam, bijam, aprarabdha, and prarabdha karma. And all those karmas, they have vasana. All those samskaras, they have vasana, means desire. I want this, I want that, I need this, I really need this, I really feel like this, I feel like this, I need that. That is all the permutations and manifestations and kaleidoscopic presentations of Maya. Ma means ma, my, ma. Ma means, Maya means me, which is not, that which is not. The ma is me. Ma represents ego.